Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix unresponsive touchscreen on your Motorola Moto G87. So, if your touchscreen is not responding, the easiest solution to this problem is force restarting your device. You can do that by holding down power button and volume up key at the same time for about 10 seconds until your device is fully shut down. Then just lay your smartphone down and let it restart automatically. After the restart, check your touchscreen, and if it's not working, then let's try to force restart our device into the safe mode, which will outrule the possibility of background activity on your smartphone which is blocking your device's touchscreen. To do that, we have to hold down power button and volume up key once again. Wait until your screen goes off. Once it does, you have to lay your device down, then wait for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then start holding down the volume down button and keep holding it until your device boots into the safe mode. In the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen, and here your touch screen should be working in case it's the third-party application problem. In such case, you have to go to settings, go to apps, and find the application that could have caused this issue, and then simply remove it from your phone by going to this app's settings, for example this one, and selecting uninstall. Now, if your touchscreen is still unresponsive, the only solution remaining is performing a factory reset operation. This will erase all data from your smartphone, but it will also resolve your issue, most probably. Now, to perform a factory reset operation, we're gonna need to hold down power button and volume up key at the same time until the device goes off. Then, after it goes off, immediately start holding down the volume down button, and this will take you to this screen. Here we have to use volume down key until we select recovery mode option. Now, to confirm, press power button. Wait until you see the Android robot on your screen. Now, what we need to do next, once we see the robot with the no command message, is shortly hold down the power button, and while holding it down, press volume up key. This is the recovery mode. Here you'll be able to navigate using up and down arrow keys. So volume control keys basically. This way, select wipe data / factory reset and press power button. Then navigate to factory data reset and press power button again. After that, you'll be redirected back to this menu, and here you're gonna have to select reboot system now and then wait until your device is restarted and the factory reset is completed. Now, I of course didn't perform this operation. I just wanted to show you how to do that. You're gonna have to wait for several minutes until the factory reset operation is finished, and after that the issue should be resolved. Now, if the factory reset operation didn't fix your problem, then most probably your device has a hardware issue, and in such case you have to reach out to Motorola customer support service and notify them about this problem. And that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.